How to link email address to a button on Wix. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do is first of course be able to add a button into our Wix page, which you can easily do by clicking on add elements over here on the top left. And over here you will be able to see that you have buttons. So simply add any buttons that you want onto your page. And after you have one, click on settings when you're selecting the button itself. Click on links to, and over here you have a selection that we're going to choose from. Simply select email as our option over here, and you will be able to see here our information. So simply enter the email address that you want to be attached or to be linked onto the button, and then over here put in what the email subject is. So when someone clicks on our button, it will automatically have an email creation or pop-up that will allow us to send to that person or have an email connection with that person. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.